Actually, a really good example of this is if you haven't watched it, the Steve Jobs iPhone launch back in I think it was 2007. The iPhone launch was unbelievable. Steve Jobs was just a master at taking an audience through the story of Apple, and so he guides the entire audience through all of the innovations over the years that Apple has created. And then for the non-techies, he talks about and this is when the iPhone's being introduced. He says, "What if you what if there was a way?" He always does that. He's like, "What if there was a way that you could have your iPod, a phone, and an internet communicator all in one?" And so now all the non-techies are all entranced by that. But then he also talks to the techie people that know a lot more about computers and things like that. And he'd say he would talk about, oh, well, look at the touch screen features that we have on this iPhone, and it has a multi-touch interface. And then he would describe like all the capabilities of the operating system. And if you watch the audience, and this is here's a strategy for all of you: stop filming yourselves when you're speaking, start filming your audience, because it's going to tell you a lot more about how you're connecting with your audience. And if you just watch the audience at that, I think it was 2007 when the iPhone was introduced, but you just see people just enraptured by every word. They're hanging on every word that he's saying.